What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to be understanding the React folder structure. So there's a lot of people out there that don't fully understand the React structure and the meaning of files and folders in the React system. Well, if you're one of them, you have come to the right place. First of all, let me go to Visual Studio Code, and as we can see here, we have a basic React template. Now if you don't have React installed, I actually have a video on this channel on how to install React, so I'll leave the link in the description and you can just check that out. The first folder in the React template is the Node Modules folder, and you can think of this folder as a repository for all the modules in your React app. This folder is automatically added when you install a specific npm package. Developers use packages when they want to add a piece of functionality that someone else coded and made available via the npm ecosystem. Don't worry too much about the Node Modules folder, just be aware of it and that it is needed for your React app to work. The next folder we have is the public folder, and this contains the assets that will be displayed to the user in your React app. For example, the image files for logos, the favicon, which is used to display an icon in the browser tag, and the robot.txt file, which is used for search engine optimization. There is also a manifest.json file, which is used to provide metadata to your device when a React powered app is installed on it. Then there is the index.html file, which is the most important for you to know for now. The React app gets injected in the specific element inside the body of the index.html file, and updates are injected in the div of the index.html file based on changes happening in the React app. Now let's understand the content of the src or source folder. This folder contains all the essential component files required to ensure that the React app functions. As a React developer, you will be spending most of your time in this folder, so let's get a little bit more familiar with some of these files now. The index.js and app.js files are used to render the root component of the app, while the app.css file contains the styles to be used in the app.js component, and the index.css file contains the styles to be used in the entire application. App.test.js, reportwebvitals.js, and setuptest.js are files related to the app's performance and testing. The logo.svg file is displayed on the start page of the default app when the app is displayed in the browser on localhost 3000. It's worth remembering that the most important file in the source folder is the index.js file, as this file imports everything that the app needs to run correctly. Now that we're done with the folders, let's explore the files at the root of the default app. Root files are additional files found at the root of the project itself. They include a gitignore file, 2 JSON files, and a README file. The gitignore file is used in version control to specify which files and folders must be excluded from a project. It is important to know that this file is not specific to React, meaning it can be seen in other systems. The readme.md file is a markdown file that provides basic information about this project. Developers use this when they want to share their project's code on websites like GitHub. The package.json file lists information pertaining to this app, which allows npm to run various scripts and perform various tasks in the app. And finally, we have the package.log.json file. Now, this file holds the list of all dependencies with their specific versions. This file helps npm rebuild the app on another machine, or if we delete the Node Modules folder with all the files that our project needs to run. The package.log.json file has all the information for npm to be able to rebuild those files reliably. This file is there to ensure that npm tracks all module installation properly. You should now understand and be able to explain the default folder structure of a React project and outline its benefits. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and feel free to leave a comment about this video, about what you think can be improved on, which video you want me to do next, and stuff like that. Okay guys, thanks for watching, stay blessed, and I'll see you in the next one.